everyone, welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. So I'm making homemade peanut butter. Things are so expensive in Nigeria, and if you are also calorie counting, the way to go is homemade peanut butter. I'll be using only two ingredients, the peanuts or groundnuts and the honey. Please continue watching. So this peanut butter is going to be as natural as can be, no processed additives. So this is the peanuts, raw peanuts, tiny type. This has been roasted, a little bit burnt, but to add color. So I'll pour everything into a food processor. So I will grind, you stop, and you scrape. Doing this constantly till it process, stop, and scrape it. I'm going to add 1/8 cup of honey. This is for sweetness since I'm not using sugar, and also it helps it to spread. I won't use vegetable oil. You could use up to 1/4 of a cup. Pour it in and allow it to mix. So I'm going to continue the process. After processing, scraping, it is almost done, and this is cheaper and healthier. This is a stiff consistency. If you want to pour in one, add 1/4 cup of honey to a cup of honey. I'm going to use this in my next video for cookies.